In this video, we will evaluate the integral of log to the base e of x plus square root x plus 1 divided by square root x plus 1 dx. And as always, we will solve it in few simple steps. And the steps are, first, we will substitute the numerator as t, and then differentiate both sides with respect to x in order to get all the terms in terms of t or dt, and then integrate, and in the final step, replace t in terms of x. And I have given you some important formulae as always. So let's get started. Substituting log base e of x plus square root x squared plus 1 equals t, and differentiating both sides with respect to x by using the first formula here, we can write 1 over the function, which is x plus square root of x squared plus 1 into the derivative of x, which is 1, plus the derivative of square root of x squared plus 1, which is 1 over 2 square root of x squared plus 1, times the derivative of x squared plus 1, which is 2x, dx equals dt. Here we can cancel out 2, and simplifying further, we'll get 1 over x plus square root of x squared plus 1 times, and if you take LCM of the terms in this bracket, we get square root of x squared plus 1 plus x divided by square root of x squared plus 1 times dx equals dt. We observe that x plus square root of x squared plus 1 here and here can cancel out. So we are left with dx divided by square root of x squared plus 1 equals dt. Using dx over x squared plus 1 square root equals dt and log to the base e of x plus square root x squared plus 1 as t, the integral becomes t times dt. And now, using the rule that integral of x to the power n dx equals x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, we get t squared over 2 plus c. And now, replacing back t in terms of x, we get log base e of x plus square root x squared plus 1 whole square divided by 2 plus c as the final answer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.